Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Revature started their hiring for freshers in the entry level software engineering role. So I am going to explain everything, so watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. So this is all about Revature, IT MNC company from pan India and all over the world it's running. So they are hiring for entry level software engineering position and multiple location. You can select it, means you can work in your own state itself. What we want from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and IT circuital branch 2019 to and 2022 passed out, 60% in PE, UG and minimum in 10th, 12th and board exam. Good communication skill must be there. What we are offering 4 to 6 LPA per annum, opportunity to work in product development, service integration. So you are going to work in product based company and internship Revature divided provider. Stipend during 5,000 per month they are providing, and the exam will be online exam, logical reasoning, algorithm, technical and coding question, one-on-one technical screening and HR discussion should be there. And you just want to fill it here itself. So just want to type your name, Rajesh. I am giving the name randomly, so give your name and your initial and your mail ID at gmail.com. This is most important, and your phone number, and you just want to choose your state. Just click here and choose your state, which degree you are from. BE, BTech, so Bachelor of Engineering, BTech means Bachelor of Technology, and branches will be they are mentioning here, so you can apply any branches. So I just give IT. Graduation date, from which starting date, from July to July 2022. College, write your college and your 12th percentage 89 and 99. Score exam in percentage, degree percentage and 10th will be 78, and you just want to click here to download your resume, and the resume format should be less than 5 MB only, so it would be in docs, PDF, text in fit, and you just want to submit it. This is all about Revature entry level software engineer role. After applying, you may get a mail that congratulations, if you are selected means you are selected and you will move on to exam, otherwise we are in waiting process, we will contact you soon. So this kind of mail only you may arrive. So don't worry guys, this is all about good opportunity from MNC. Those who missed Wipro, Accenture and TCS, you can apply here with the good coding knowledge. Thanks for watching this channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.